7 ingenious ways to lower interior design costs. Interior design can be an expensive endeavor, especially for those who are on a tight budget. However, the good news is that there are plenty of ways to cut costs without sacrificing style and quality. In this blog post, we'll be sharing 7 ingenious ways to lower interior design costs without compromising on the final look of your space. So, if you're planning to redesign your home or office space, read on for some fantastic tips and tricks. 1. Start with a plan. The first step to reducing interior design costs is to have a detailed plan. Often, if there is no plan in place, there is a tendency to overspend and make impulsive purchases. By having a detailed plan, you'll know the exact items you need, and this will help you cut costs by avoiding unnecessary expenses. Create a mood board or a Pinterest board to get a better visual understanding of your design vision before you make any purchases. 2. Shop smart. Another way to lower interior design costs is to shop smart. Not all items have to be brand new, so consider buying second-hand or upcycling items. You can find great deals on sites like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Additionally, consider shopping at thrift stores or garage sales. You may be able to find unique pieces at a fraction of what you would pay for something brand new. 3. DIY projects. Projects are a great way to save on interior design costs. You can refurbish old furniture, make your own curtains or cushion covers, or even create your own wall art. There are plenty of tutorials online to help you get started, and you'll find that making these items yourself is not only cost-effective but also a fun and creative way to dive deeper into the design process. 4. Focus on key pieces. Instead of buying every single item for your space all at once, focus on key pieces. Invest in the items that will make a significant difference in the look and feel of the space, such as a statement piece of furniture or a unique light fixture. Once you have these pieces, you can then find more budget-friendly options for the remaining items. 5. Paint. Paint is probably one of the most budget-friendly ways to add a fresh new look to your space. You can completely transform a room by simply changing the color of the walls. Opt for a neutral color palette, as it will provide you with more versatility and help you save on costs in the long run. If you're up for a little more creativity, consider painting an accent wall or using stencils for a unique pattern. 6. Repurpose items. Take a cue from Marie Kondo and look at your current items with a fresh eye to see if they can be repurposed in a different way. For example, an old dresser can be converted into a TV stand, or a wooden ladder can be used as a bookshelf. By repurposing items, you're not only saving money, but you're also reducing waste and being environmentally conscious. 7. Hire an interior decorator. Hiring an interior decorator may seem counterproductive to reducing costs, but it can actually be a smart investment. A professional decorator can help you create a detailed plan, choose quality pieces that are within your budget, and ultimately save you money in the long run by helping you avoid costly mistakes. In conclusion, interior design doesn't have to be an expensive undertaking. By following these 7 ingenious ways to lower interior design costs, you'll be able to create a beautiful space on a budget. Keep in mind that with a little creativity and planning, it's possible to achieve your desired interior design vision without breaking the bank. Happy designing! Thanks for watching.